Okay guys, this is lesson 5.5, decimal division. So now we're on to the next step with division with decimals. Now we're going to take the decimal and the divisor and we're going to get it out of the divisor. So when we have a problem like 1 8/10 divided by 6/10, this is a difficult problem to do if we have a decimal right here in this divisor. So we want to get it out. So all we have to do is move it out. So we're going to take this decimal and we're going to move it as many times as we have to get it to be right here next to the division sign. So this time we only have to move it once. If the decimal was out here, if it was 6/100ths, then we'd move it twice. If it was out here and there was a couple more numbers here, then we'd move it 2, 3, 4 times. But let's go back to our first problem. It is 6/10. So we're just going to move it once. If we move it once here in the divisor, then we have to move it once here in the dividend. So we're going to move it once here. You move it the same amount of times you do in the divisor or dividend as you do in the divisor. So if you moved it 2 here, you'd move it 2 here, 3 here, 3 here. If you moved it 3 here and you needed to move it 3 here and put it right here, you just need to add a couple zeros. But we don't need to. So the first thing you're going to do is move your decimal and then just bring it straight up, and now you're going to divide. So now you just have 18 divided by 6, which is 3. Remember, this works because it's just like if you have 100 divided by 10. It's 10. Well, if we added a 0 to each number and we had 1,000 divided by 100, it would still be 10. Or if we had 10,000 divided by 1,000, it would still be 10. So all we're doing is we're timesing it by 10, and it still gives you the same answer. It's still correct. So here's your extra credit problem. 1 6/10 divided by 4/10.